Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a question I've been getting a lot lately. Does Ally Bank offer personal loans? Now, I know you might be thinking, why would I want to borrow money from a bank? Well, there are actually a lot of reasons why you might need a personal loan. Maybe you need to consolidate some debt, make a major purchase, or cover unexpected expenses. So, does Ally Bank offer personal loans? The answer is yes. In fact, they have a pretty good selection of personal loans to choose from. Before we get into the details, let's talk about some of the things you should consider when choosing a personal loan. First, you need to think about how much money you need to borrow. The amount of money you borrow will affect your monthly payments and the interest rate you'll pay. Second, you need to think about how long you need to repay the loan. The longer you take to repay the loan, the more interest you'll pay. Third, you need to think about your credit score. Your credit score is a number that represents your creditworthiness. The higher your credit score, the lower your interest rate will be. Now that we've covered the basics, let's take a look at Ally Bank's personal loans. Ally Bank offers personal loans with amounts ranging from $2,500 to $100,000. They have a variety of repayment terms to choose from, ranging from 12 to 60 months. And they offer competitive interest rates. One of the things I like about Ally Bank's personal loans is that they have a number of features that make them attractive to borrowers. For example, they offer no origination fees or annual fees. They also offer a variety of ways to make payments, including online, by phone, or by mail. So, if you're looking for a personal loan, Ally Bank is definitely worth considering. They offer a variety of products to choose from, and they have a number of features that make them attractive to borrowers. Of course, it's always a good idea to compare rates and terms from a few different lenders before you borrow money. But if you're looking for a reputable bank with a good selection of personal loans, Ally Bank is a great option. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and healthy.